Alright, today is a Friday. It's about 5 p.m. It's whatever, January the 10th, 11th, 12th. I'm not sure. Forget the days. Anyway, today's the 12th on Friday, and I'm actually just going to do a quick about 1 to 2 minute video on this euro because it turned out to be an extremely profitable trade. A great trade. I called it. I don't want to say it in that particular terms, but if you can look at the videos, you can clearly follow exactly what the market has been doing. And on the Elliott perspective, it pretty much proved to be correct and proved to be the right count. I ended up saying throughout the 3 videos that I posted this week that we were most likely in wave 3, either 4 or 5, or this is a 1, 2, and then this is 3. So basically, if wave 4 was done, this is a 4-hour chart on the at 1556 or so. You have a 1, 2, and now you have a 1, 2, and then now you're working on wave 3. An alternative to that is basically that this is the 1, this is a 2, this is the 3, this is the 4 because it did not go below wave 1, and now you're working on an extension of wave 5. With that being the case, my stop is still relatively low, but more than likely I'm going to bring my stop up to about 1. Actually, I'm going to do that now. The market's over with now, so it doesn't even really matter what I do, and I'll probably play the gap or what it's going to do on Sunday. But just to be real quick with it, as you can see on my support and resistance levels, once price broke 121.05, I had mentioned in earlier videos that 121.50 to 121.70 would be the next levels of resistance. It broke that, and it went up to the next level of resistance, which is 122.15. As you can see, today it found resistance so far at 122.15. This is an impulsive wave 3. So more than likely, even when we do see a correction, it may find support more closer to the 120.94. So you may see relatively about 100 or so pip drop, maybe 121.50, but more than likely the 121.05 to the 120.94. I'm sorry, 120.95 area for wave 4. And then prices will continue up. I have prices going more towards the 123 area, 124, and then that's where wave 5 is expected to end at that level. Until then, I don't see anything worth going to the downside. Everything is to the upside. 237 pips in the euro is a fantastic trade. So Sunday I'll have something, and we'll see how the week plays out next week. I'm expecting Monday to be relatively slow due to the holiday, but I do expect some high volume throughout the middle of next week, and I'm expecting that to continue higher. So I hope this video helped. I only want to do this one, Bitcoin. It didn't do much. As you can see, it's playing still the support levels. It's still continuing down, but it's in a consolidation, so it's not doing much. You can see over the past 2 or 3 days, it's pretty much just ranging between a high 14 and a low 12, mid 12. So it's not much there. It's most likely going to continue to the downside. And then also with the Bitcoin, let me see, where's the other one at? Let me see, BCH. Let's see, let's dash. Boom, boom. I don't know what happened to that page, but anyway, next week I'll have the refreshed support and resistance levels for Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. And but as of now, this week it wasn't much movement in Bitcoin, so not too much to talk about. You guys enjoy your weekend and happy trading for next week.